What to do when your eyes get very tired after a hard day. Tired eyes are probably one of the most common symptoms in working people. Tired eyes can be not only the result of external factors. This condition often occurs due to such reasons: headache, changes at the hormonal level, as well as unstable blood pressure. The above uncomfortable symptoms can signal such ailments as myopia, hyperopia, astigmatism, vegetative vascular dystonia, osteochondrosis of the cervical spine, and inflammatory processes in the sinuses of the organs of vision and nose. Often the eyes get tired due to glasses for vision or contact lenses if they are incorrectly selected, as well as due to the use of certain medications. The real reason for eye fatigue can only be said by an ophthalmologist. It is important to consult a specialist in time to prevent a possible further decrease in visual acuity. A person skilled in the art can attribute moisturizing or soothing eye drops. If the eyes hurt not because of the disease, but because of the increased load, alternative methods can also help. A lot of recipes are offered. Today we will talk about traditional and time-tested compresses. Tea compress: it is worth making tea leaves, but not with tea bags. Then, when the liquid cools to room temperature, soak cotton swabs and put them on your eyelids, of course, closing your eyes. Up to 15 minutes is worth holding a compress. The result will be tangible instantly. Potato for eyes: take a few potatoes and grate them. Then, using gauze, squeeze the juice. Next, add flour to it to make tortillas. For 20 minutes, lay the cakes for centuries. Such masks are effective against eye fatigue and help get rid of edema. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.